your phone knows your secrets. It knows your left knee clicks every time you take the stairs. It knows you have been sitting on the ice pack longer than usual lately. Then it happens. A slick video pops up in your feed showing someone jumping and running with total ease. They are wearing a thin, breathable sleeve called the Relevo Knee Brace. The marketing is aggressive and polished. It promises to stabilize your joint and vanish your discomfort in a matter of minutes. It claims to be a revolutionary breakthrough in mobility. But we have to ask ourselves if this is a medical miracle or just a very expensive piece of spandex. On the official site, everything looks flawless. You see rows of 5-star reviews from people who claim their lives were changed forever. These are the kinds of testimonials that pull at your heartstrings when you are tired of hurting. However, those reviews are carefully curated. They are the hand-picked success stories used to make you reach for your credit card. When you step outside that bubble, the picture changes fast. On independent platforms, the ratings tell a much darker story. We are talking about scores sitting at a dismal 1.6 out of 5. That is a loud, ringing alarm bell. Real customers are reporting that the fabric is thin and flimsy. They say it does not stay in place. There is nothing more annoying than a knee brace that bunches up behind your leg or slides down to your ankle while you are trying to walk. Many buyers feel like they were sold a high-tech medical device but received a generic sleeve they could have bought for $5 at a discount store. The biggest headache seems to be the customer service. If you realize the product is not for you, getting your money back sounds like an absolute nightmare. This is a common tactic for products that rely on heavy social media advertising. They want the quick sale. They do not necessarily want the long-term relationship. Compression is a real thing. It can help reduce swelling. It can provide a psychological sense of security. But it is not a magic fix for a torn meniscus or severe arthritis. A sleeve like this provides basic support. It is not a specialized medical brace with hinges or structural reinforcements. The Relevo is essentially a basic compression garment with a high-end price tag. If you need a little bit of warmth and light pressure, it might do the job, but you are paying a massive premium for the brand name and the fancy ads. You could walk into any local drugstore and find something identical for much less money. It is not a scam in the sense that the company does not exist. You will likely receive a package, but the value proposition is completely skewed. They are banking on your desperation for relief. They want you to believe that this one specific item has a secret sauce that other braces lack. It does not. It is a standard knit sleeve. If you're struggling with chronic pain, your best bet is always a professional opinion, not a targeted ad. Do not let the shiny slow-motion videos fool you. Always look for the honest feedback hidden away from the main sales page. You have to be your own advocate. There are so many options out there that do not rely on exaggerated claims. Save your money for something that actually provides the structural support you need.